Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make red wine braised chicken drumsticks. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 8 chicken drumsticks. So what we're going to do at this point is just season this with a pinch of salt, some cracked pepper, and about half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. And we'll just top it off with about 1 tablespoon of oil. I just want to mix this around, get them all well coated. Now I'm going to put these into the fridge for around half an hour, just to let those flavours absorb. Alright guys, so next just into a pan on a high heat, I've just added 2 tablespoons of oil. Now what I got here is just a container of plain flour. We're going to get our drumsticks and just give them a very light coating. Shake the excess off and place it straight into our pan. And we just want to continue with all of it. Now make sure you shake the excess off. We don't want too much flour in there. Alright, so all we need to do is cook these for a couple of minutes on each side. We just want to get it nice and brown. Now if you do want a gluten-free option, just skip the flour. Alright guys, so we're at the 5-minute mark now. As you can see, we've got a nice beautiful golden colour. So starting with the one we put first, which is this one, we're going to start transferring these into another tray. Once you take all the chicken out, we're going to add in 1 cup of red wine. And be careful of the flame. But what we're going to do is deglaze the pan to get all that flavour. And we'll turn the heat to low now. And I'm just going to add in 3 cups of chicken stock, along with about 3 crushed garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of black pepper, about 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and just a pinch of salt. Now we just want to combine that well, and we're just going to pour this into the tray with our chicken. Next we're going to prep our vegetables. Also at this point we're going to preheat our oven to about 170 degrees Celsius. So vegetables wise, I'm just going to use an onion and a carrot. You can also use potatoes if you like, or pumpkin, anything you want to. So all we're going to do with our carrot is just slice it, just like that. And with our onion, we just want to coarsely chop it, like so. And we'll add this straight to our tray as well. So now we'll just cover it with some foil. And we want to bake these in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and tender. Alright guys, so I just pulled mine out of the oven now at the 45-minute mark. And I'll tell you what, when you take the foil off and that smell just hits you, it's just amazing. That thyme really helps. And as you can see, the chicken is completely cooked, nice and white, which is what we want. So we can go ahead and serve it now. Alright, and there we have it guys, ready to be enjoyed. And I'm going to serve its broth on the side. I hope you liked that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.